Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What Sold video for you today. It is Thursday. I don't think we actually recorded a video yesterday. Nope. We had a snow day, of course. And today we had a 2-hour delay with the kids. So I'm going to turn it over to Kathy so we can show you guys what sold for us today.
Hey guys. Yeah, not a whole lot sold, but we'll pull them. And then I did want to thank some people though for some coffees. And yeah, so first off, Alma bought us a coffee, said thank you for all the great info you share. I signed up using your Kitizen link. I do have a question. Can I use Poshmark VA with list perfectly? I heard from another YouTuber you can't. So you can use them both. The problem becomes, what is it?
It depends on what you're using Poshmark VA for. If you're just sharing and doing the offers to likers and stuff, that all works perfectly with List Perfectly.
Yeah, the relisting is what.
Right. If you're relisting with Poshmark VA, that will desync your List Perfectly.
Yeah, because when you relist, you get a brand new item number. So, like, let's show you. I can just show you. So let's see right here. Click on a Poshmark listing. All right. So, like, this is one of my Poshmark listings. So this is its item number right here, which is what is stored in the List Perfectly thing right here. So, inventory.
Yeah.
So, like, these are the numbers. So, as soon as you make a listing, it automatically puts the item number in here. Mm-hmm. So then when you delist it, it knows to pull it up and take it down.
Which, if you do choose to use Poshmark VA to do that, you can actually manually copy that from the new listing and paste it in your List Perfectly. It takes a lot of work.
Yeah, but I don't do it, so I just remember. Yeah. So if you're not good at remembering to delist your items or double checking that they're delisted, then I wouldn't, at least on Poshmark VA, use the relist feature. Poshmark, I mean, you can relist fairly quickly on your own. I mean,
from List Perfectly?
It still takes quite a bit longer than doing it through Poshmark VA, but it's quicker than, manually doing it the old school way, like screenshotting photos, because you can just copy. But anyways, so yeah, that's the reason that they probably said that. So you can use them both.
We use them both every day.
De-link. Yeah, the same thing as if on eBay. That doesn't have to do with Poshmark VA, obviously, but on eBay, if you do sell similars or end your listing for any reason and then just put it back up, it has a new item number. So you have to either recopy it or just remember to fix it.
Right.
Yeah.
And that's only if you're using List Perfectly's catalog to keep everything updated. Yeah. So a lot of people choose not to use the catalog like we do. Yeah. So that's up to you.
Yeah.
Hopefully that answers your question, though. Thank you so much for that support.
Yeah. Thank you, Alma.
Yeah.
All right. This one just says someone. Thank you so much. They bought us 2 coffees, said love the coffee idea. Thanks for the spreadsheet. So thank you.
Thank you so much for that support.
And then Andrea bought us a coffee, said I was so intimidated to download the spreadsheet, but I'm glad I finally did it. You've made it so user-friendly, and I'm especially thankful for the video you all made to explain everything. You guys rock. Love your videos.
Awesome.
Thank you, Andrea. Yeah, and I did want to mention, so Chris obviously made the video on how to use ours, but one of our YouTube friends, Little Miss Q, actually just uploaded a video today. So that's so Chris's is just showing how to use it, but hers is, I think,
is she reviewing it?
I haven't actually watched through it yet.
Okay.
Yeah, today's been crazy, but I'm gonna watch it tonight. But anyways, I'm imagining that it's her just, view as a user of it.
Right. Yeah. And she did ask us if she could make a video, and I told her, be honest.
She could be saying bad things. Yeah, I don't know.
We haven't seen it yet, but
either way,
it is an honest opinion of hers.
So we want you guys to. Yeah, so go check it out if you want to see, just a regular person using our spreadsheet and what they think about it and what works or doesn't work or whatnot. But and then Chris also, like we said, has our video on how to use it. Yeah,
there are 2 videos actually, because we did have a frequently asked question video go up, and those are some very common questions. So if you're having any questions, check that video, and it will probably be answered there.
All right, so let's just jump in. Well, let's just do this one because it's right here. Let's see, Nike. All right, sold a Nike Tankini swimsuit. I have $5.83 into this retail arbitrage. Sold it on Posh for $47 with discount shipping. So really nice Posh sale there.
Yeah.
That did sell via a Posh or VA offer that went out, so that was nice. And we'll just ship that in a Tyvek mailer. By the way, Shipping Hit did restock these ones today. As well as added a new print. So I did share it on my Instagram, although obviously when you guys see this video, today's over on my Instagram story. It won't be there anymore, but it's just shippinghip.com, and our code is Ginger15 if you want any. It gets you 15% off, and they ship for free. So
sweet.
All right, BN.
Yeah, we're coming off of what, 6 days, 6 unexpected school days off.
6 full days, and then a 2-hour delay. And then tomorrow is just Friday, so that's the last day of school. Then the weekend, and then I think they have Monday.
I think it's a 3-day weekend.
So, for no reason other than that was another day they added because we didn't have too many snow days in January and December, so.
We're not going crazy at all, guys.
No. And then spring break is just a few weeks away, so. Which our kids have 2 weeks off for spring break, not just one. Mm-hmm. So. We're doing the best we can.
Those 6 days, if they were in school, would have been so nice for us to be prepared for spring break.
Yeah, that wouldn't have been here if they had school. So we would have got through it all.
Yeah.
Luckily, I've been able to maintain my 15 a day, but definitely not able to grow my draft bank or get stuff, just typed in and put away and things like that.
I'm also thankful because the school district was tossing around the idea of when it was a snow day being an e-learning day.
Oh, no.
And that would have been awful.
That's the hardest thing ever, just because... Well, especially our littlest, he barely knows how to pay attention in class versus pay attention while he's in his room with all his toys and fun things.
Yeah.
All right, so I saw these Crocs on Kitazen, back to real work life. These are cool. These are like, I don't know, they're like a water shoe.
Oh, okay.
Anyhow, I bought these for $6.99 at Goodwill. Sold them for $26.10 with free shipping. They cost $5.15 to ship out through Kitazen, and so I'm only profiting just over $10. But I would always pick them up because I like Crocs and they sell quickly. $10 is $10. Ship those in a Panda mailer. And then Jay. Little baby saltwater sandals. So these are super cute. Always on the lookout for these. They usually sell 20 to 25 or so plus shipping. This pair sold on Facebook for 20 plus shipping. I've had them listed a while. I think I listed them kind of right after that summertime last year. So they finally sold. So 20 plus ship. I've had a lot of very low offers between 10 to 15 on them. But I just held out because those always sell. If it's the right time of year. I'll ship. Oh, actually, let's do this. Because it's kind of like seashell sandals,
Well, tongue twister. Seashells for the sandals.
All right, so this last one, I have not printed the label yet. This is actually a viewer sale going out to Zach, who's bought many bundles from us. This one has me a little stumped for a moment, so we're going to pull them all out and then figure out how we're shipping them because
some big fluffy
bigger,
items.
Sweaters. So they're bulky, and I definitely don't think they're gonna fit in the biggest USPS box.
Right.
So we'll have to pull a box, but also we want to try to stay. We want it to be a small box or maybe just a large mailer. I don't know yet because
we'll just pull them out and see.
We want to be as cheap as we can. So.
Right.
We'll try to figure it out.
As frugal as we can, not as cheap as we can, right?
Yeah. We'll send it the cheapest.
Right.
It's obviously priority or maybe even USPS, UPS. All right, Robert Beard. That's a t-shirt. I'll just pull them all, then I'll tell you what they are. So BT. Narrow shoes. BI. Bauer sweater. Okay, CD. And a hanging item. I did like have the weight. So right now I know the items alone weigh 6 pounds, 6.4 ounces. 6.5 pounds basically.
Right.
Before we get a box. So I know a box is gonna go over 7. So it's gonna be an 8-pound package regardless of which way we send it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know. How should we do this?
Well, let's show the items first,
Yeah,
and then we'll.
I forgot to write how much.
Yeah, we'll probably cut the videos till we find out what we're gonna do, so we can both figure it out.
Okay, so the total for the items came to $155.07, and then plus shipping. And then what I had spent on the items was $25.79. So a really good sale. Thank you, Zach.
Yeah, Zach.
So we got a Nike men's like black just fleece pullover. This one came from the bins. This is a really nice Eddie Bauer. I called it a fisherman sweater. I feel like these heavy, thick knit sweaters are like fisherman sweaters. This is a brand I'd never heard of, but when I touched it at the thrift, it felt so soft, so I just had to look it up. And to my surprise, they were selling pretty well. The brand is Robert Barrakeet, or Barrett. I think it's Keat, but maybe Ket. I don't know. K-E-T-T.
Yeah, maybe.
Anyways,
Bearcat.
I did pay $3.99 for this shirt, but comps were like 20 to 25 or so plus shipping on pre-owned. I think these retail for like $50 or $60 a t-shirt,
Okay.
which to me is crazy, but it's a very soft Pima cotton, so it makes sense.
Yeah, and once you kind of get the feel for things, like, you just felt it, and you were like, I'm going to look this up, and we're surprised.
That wasn't from the bins, but at the bins, that's why I don't really like to wear gloves, because I want to feel
Material.
fabrics, wools, things like that. This is a pair of Miro. I think these were called the Shiver Mock. So really nice tread on the bottom of these. Vibram
Got the
soles.
Vibram.
Yeah. Vibram. And then I've been loving LL Bean. This is just a really nice fleece pullover. So
Yeah.
this one's vintage too, I believe. It is USA made. So yeah, and it's really nice and soft. So
that's...
yeah, I definitely don't think they're gonna fit in like this, right? All, at least not all in one.
Right.
So we do
We'll,
yeah.
I think we'll take a minute, gather our thoughts, and try to figure out what we're going to ship it in. Then we'll let you guys know, and then go on from there. Is that okay with you, Reese?
You see? Pay attention to me.
He's a little stressed out today because I've been moving furniture back from our living room into our bedroom.
Our bedroom has a floor that's not concrete.
Right. So anyway, we'll be right back, and then we'll show you guys what we figured out. All right, guys, we got this box. Old toilet paper box, I guess.
From the neighbor.
Yeah, we get boxes from our neighbors, free boxes. But we did fit everything in here. We are going to actually cut this box down. But we're going to show you what we did on eBay to see how much it's going to cost, like to get our cheapest shipping.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure, like I said, the clothes were 6.5. I'm imagining the box is going to be under 8, but let's just double check. So right now it's
Right at, yeah.
But we're cutting.
We're going to be cutting a lot of cardboard off, so 8 pounds.
You're staying under 8. So if you didn't know, you don't have to be like 8 pounds or 7 pounds, 12 ounces. It's going to be the same price. 7 pounds is going to be one price. 7.1 all the way up to 8 is going to be one price. So
Yeah.
just so we can show you. So like right now, this is basically the price that we're probably going to be at. But just so that you can understand what I mean. If we put 7 pounds, say 10 ounces, it's going to be the same price.
1933.
Yeah, so when you jump up to 8, well, so if we did 7, oops. Okay. So 7 pounds, so even 7 pounds is the same price in this scenario.
Okay.
I think once you get to a certain weight, it kind of...
It's got
the
larger
same
increments.
price. Yeah, so anyways, so 8 pounds, box. These are the tentative dimensions. It might be 9 inches tall. We have to cut it down to double check. So I'm not going to quite buy it until after we finish up here. But
also keep in mind the measurements. Those are, you have to round up. So if you have 13.2 or 13 and a quarter inches, it's 15 or 14 inches.
So like we have 17, I think it was 16 and a half or so.
Yeah.
So 17 by 14 by 8. But yeah, that's not bad. Zach lives in Minnesota, so for an 8-pound box, I think less than $20 is really good.
Yeah.
It might be 9. What is it?
9 inches tall. So yeah, what the dimension we're cutting down is the height. So this is going to be our 8 inches. So we're going to cut it at 8 inches.
Yeah, but if for some reason it's just over 9, is just a little bit more, about $1 more. So
Yeah.
we'll get it cut down, hopefully to 8 inches, and get it under that $20 mark. But yeah, not bad for an 8 pounds going halfway, not halfway,
Right.
but a few states away.
I think bundles are a little bit easier on eBay as far as making sure you have enough shipping. Usually, if you have the shipping on each item, it's enough to cover, and you're usually refunding some money, right?
Yeah, so
If you have a large enough bundle or whatever, but
yeah.
sometimes it
A lot of
always
times,
equals out.
If it's like $1 or $2, I would not
Right,
send them a
yeah.
refund, just because it's like, well, I think they're changing this, but before eBay, to send a refund at all, you get your 30-cent transaction fee is still like
You get a transaction fee on it,
eat
yeah.
that. So to refund them their full amount, you're losing 30 cents of it just by giving the money back. So,
Right.
But I think eBay might have taken that away with their winter seller update.
Yeah.
But yeah, just in general, I mean, like $1 or $2, you can't really predict how much it's going to be till they buy it,
Right.
till you pull it, till you pack it, and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it really makes sense to give a refund on like $1 or so.
$1.
Because, this does take time. It takes time for
Yeah.
you to figure out a bundle and all that. So it's kind of, I guess, compensation for that. I don't know
Yeah.
if you want to look at it that way. But anyway, that was all that sold for us today. So, Zach, you got you got most of our sales, our items going out today.
Yeah, thank you.
And we do
Yeah, some
appreciate
nice
that.
ones.
Yeah.
Really, I really love this shirt, even though it's just like a plain shirt. Like I want to go buy Chris some just because they're so soft.
So thank you so much for that support, Zach. We're going to get it packed up and send it on its way. But that is going to do it for today's video, guys. We're just trying to get life caught up. Man, like this 5-6 days of just random schedule. It's hard. I don't know. Maybe we're just complaining a lot.
We had to do a kindergarten project.
Yeah, we had to do a diorama for a kindergarten project, which is like a take home. Like, how does a kindergartner have homework? First of all, but we did all that and figured that all out. But and then with the flooring and trying to get our furniture moved, it's been a very hectic couple weeks, and that's some of our video. We haven't gotten a lot of videos up, and that's why we're really hoping we're going to get back on that normal schedule here soon. But life sometimes makes things take a back seat. So anyway, we're gonna get this stuff off to the post office. Got to go pick up our boys from school like soon and then we'll be doing it again tomorrow, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for the viewer support, guys. We do appreciate that so much, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.